is Mary from Around the Craft Room. Thank you for coming back and checking out what I've got going on. I'm going to turn this around and head you toward the craft room and see what I've got going on. So this is going up. We've added on to the porch and extended that, and this is going into the house from the front. We do have windows now, so let's take you inside. Hopefully this is not shaking too bad. This is the living room. And out there, past the kitchen, this is the kitchen. And through those doors is a sunroom. I told you I was getting a sunroom. Windows all the way around and French doors down there. But anyway, this is back around this way, the kitchen, and into the craft room. Okay, that's gonna be a solid wall, obviously. This is the dining room. Anyway, so we go through this little short hall and into our craft room. Yay, we've got walls. So that's gonna be the window in my craft room. Yes, I know the windows are huge. Don't know how we're going to arrange this room, so I'm gonna need some help if y'all got any ideas on how to arrange the room. Here's my door, which I'll show you my door. I love this. It has blinds built inside. And then this is the bathroom, which is kind of hard to tell, obviously, because the other side, that over there is the shower, is the washer and dryer on the other side of the wall. So this is the bathroom. And then this is my closet, which has actually turned out pretty big, much bigger than I expected it to be. And it's just gonna be a storage closet, not actually, or that's what I'm using it for. So it's gonna have some of my electronics and things like that in it. I've got plugs on every wall, a couple of them on that wall. I've got one there on each side of the window. Got two over here on this wall. Anyway, I just wanted to update you on where I am now and just a short video on what the craft room is looking like. All right, thank you for watching and y'all have a wonderful day.